party on.
Did you copy?
We got here right on time for the party.
Two 6-1 Frank, respond code 261 Frank.
Shout out to Gustavo, shout out to my brother Alex, and shout out to the car club RTS running the streets.
Oh yeah.
And shout out to SGB.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
I support the First Amendment.
Appreciate you, man. Hope to see you out on the streets filming one day, brother.
Alright, man.
Hell yeah, Jose.
Jose.
Rancho Dominguez, huh?
Rancho Dominguez.
Representing right here at work. That's cool, man.
What's up? The security got out here. I believe on the First Amendment, and I support SGV too, you know? Hey, whoa.
Let them roll up, man. Oh, the sheriff. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Huh? Over there?
Yeah, that's right. See? Not him, the other one.
Then he went to go get him because he's a security guard. Keep going. They probably thought I meant like keep going because it's over there.
Yeah.
And he takes off. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Dang, they call the cops? Cop collars. What do they call cops for? Holy crap, they call the police?
Jeez.
You guys call the boogeyman?
When asked us, like, all nicely, what we're doing, we have to go ahead and waste public resource funds.
Whack.
Crybaby.
Whack. Is that Dell?
This is America. We don't have to go away.
You guys are gonna be on YouTube calling the police for no reason.
You're right. This is America. Land of the free. The home of the brave.
We don't have to go anywhere. We could be anywhere.
There's nothing we can do about it.
What's up,
What's going on, Corporal?
What's going?
Not much. Guys out here wasting resources. Yeah, they don't have to call you. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah. It's just that when people call you guys for nothing, you know, that's not cool.
I mean, hey, it's not really that thing. I mean,
It's not that-
it's a, oh, you guys?
Yeah.
It's a call for service. I mean, we gotta do our job anyways. I mean,
Thank you, man.
People are allowed to call, so.
We appreciate you
As long
being
as you let 'em
educated
know.
though, man.
Oh yeah, yeah, no problem, sir.
Yeah.
Just be careful, like I say, but you already
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, we already know, like, I wouldn't be living
Well,
if
Happy
I
New Year,
didn't know what I
guys.
was doing, right?
Huh?
I wouldn't be living here if I didn't know what I was doing, like,
Oh,
alive,
yeah.
alive.
No, you're right. You said America, like, you know, you're right. You're land of free, land of, you know.
Exactly. So appreciate when you guys don't like harass us. I mean, you didn't come in, you didn't approach us. I mean, we were the ones that were the suspects, and you know, we committed a crime. We went straight over there, and we dealt with them and let them know. I appreciate that. We all appreciate it.
Of course.
We all have a job to do,
You're right.
and you know, we're doing ours.
Hey, what YouTube channel is this?
What?
You say you're gonna put on YouTube? What YouTube channel?
No, Univision.
Univision?
Yeah.
Oh, channel 34?
That's right, sir.
Oh, all right, man.
All right.
All right, you
Thank you
guys.
guys.
Hey, you guys have a good one, yeah?
Thank you, man.
All right.
Hey,
Go inside.
stay warm and it get cold, right? It starts getting colder at night.
Hey, Corporal, what's your name, man? Huh? Badge number? I think I met you before, huh?
I think so. It might have been on the
How you
other
doing, man?
businesses.
All right, yeah, staying safe out there, huh?
It was it was like a year ago. Maybe
Yeah,
half
a
year
long
ago.
time ago.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, likewise, man.
All right.
You know, you guys all, you know, you're doing what, you know, we want to do. Do you guys, like, have a specific, like, plan, like, where you guys want to go or something like that? Or you just, like, pick
Just
anywhere?
go around and film in public, and if people like, hey, what are you doing? Then we stick around, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, you know, we just stand our ground and let them know, hey, we got the right to film, you know. No,
you're right.
no laws being broken. We're not
You
out
know
here
what it
like.
is? A lot of these businesses, they don't know it.
Yeah, a lot of
They
people don't know.
that.
Yeah.
They just think, oh, look, they're reporting us. Maybe they want to do something to our business or something.
Yeah. No, sometimes we tell them, hey, man, we're just out here filming in public, and sometimes we don't tell them anything. And the same reaction. They still call you guys, and you still have to come out. So.
We have to come out.
Right on,
That's how it
man.
is.
Thank you guys. You guys be safe out there. Happy New Year
Yeah,
to
nice
you
talking to
guys.
you guys.
All right, guys.
You guys have a good
Hey,
one.
be safe out there, right?
Hey, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Later. They're cool.
Yeah.
I had an interaction with the
one of
corporal
them
before. Yeah.
All right, that's cool.
So it's good to see like that.
All right, guys.
Things
Alrighty,
are
be
changing,
safe,
you
deputies.
know. Things change slowly, you know.
Oh, surely,
I
huh?
know a lot of people told me that things would never change, and we would have to like do a million-man march to get some support out here. But the little bit that we do on the streets is making big change. The deputies are recognizing that, and they're just coming up, educating, and sometimes not even stopping at all. So
There you go, guys. SGB like had in the encounter with one of these guys before, and you guys see how we put them on check. And guess what?
why you call the cops, man?
Get the plate. Get the plate.
You don't like pictures? Hey, post for the onesie.
Call the cops for some real crime.
Post for the onesie pic. I'll email it to you. The day you turned 1, let's see it. You call your daddy and he told you to go back and go on timeout. His dad put him on timeout instead. Dang.
He pulled up on me?
Huh?
He pulled up on me right now? And he's like, oh, you know him? You know? I was like, nah, I never seen him before. You know?
Nice. Wait, so that guy that almost ran Mr. Scientifico over came and stopped on you right now, right?
Yeah.
What'd he tell you?
I came outside, and then he pulled up over here. He's like, hey, you know those people? I'm like, nah, this is my first time, you know? This is my first time I seen him. and then I guess he got mad.
He was on the phone or what?
Yeah.
Did you want to give a shout out to anybody?
Yeah. Shout out to Gustavo. Shout out to my brother Alex. And shout out to the car club RTS running the streets.
Oh yeah.
And shout out to SGB.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
I support the First Amendment.
Appreciate you, man. Hope to see you out on the streets filming one day, brother. That's cool, man. Thank you.
Security guard right here, guy.
Cool ass guy.
Supporter right here, man.
True supporter. Right on, man. Thank you.
Alright, man.
Yeah, if you look my up, just she chose a perfect spot to come pull over. She picked the perfect spot. Tell her to wait. Tell her to wait.
Hey, you didn't see the cop?
Don't leave yet.
Don't leave yet.
Hey,
Don't leave yet.
Don't leave.
hey, he was chasing her, and then he ran into the camera.
She picked the perfect spot to turn.
Not today. Hey, I know you.
No breaking the law today, okay? No breaking the law today. No breaking the law today. That's right.
Shout out to Gustavo. Shout out to my brother Alex. And shout out to the car club RTS running the streets.
Oh yeah.
And shout out to SGB.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
I support the First Amendment.
Appreciate you, man. Hope to see you out on the streets filming one day, brother.
Alright, man.
Hell yeah, Jose.
Jose.
Rancho Dominguez, huh?
Rancho Dominguez.
Representing right here at work. That's cool, man.